Do you know the difference between process analysis and process engineering? Or perhaps you're wondering, which one does your company need? These terms may seem complex, but they play a critical role in the business world. Process analysis and process engineering are two distinct concepts, yet they are interrelated. Process analysis primarily involves documenting current or as-is processes. This can be done based on stakeholder direction or through observation. It's about understanding how things work now. On the other hand, process engineering takes the baton from there. It uses these as-is processes to identify inefficiencies and areas for improvement. The goal? To create better, optimized to-be processes. It's about envisioning how things could work better. These roles are vital in a business setting, helping companies streamline their operations, reduce inefficiencies, and ultimately improve their bottom line. Whether you're a small business owner or a corporate executive, understanding these roles will help you optimize your business processes effectively. Now let's dive into a case study to better understand the roles and responsibilities of process analysts and process engineers. Imagine a hypothetical company. Let's call it TechNovel. TechNovel is a tech startup experiencing hiccups in their product delivery pipeline. Enter the process analyst. Their role is to come in, observe, and document the as-is processes. They talk to stakeholders, observe the workflow, and map out how things are currently done. They might find that there are too many approval layers slowing down the process, or that communication between teams is not as efficient as it could be. The process analyst's role is to capture this reality, providing a solid basis for improvement. Now, this is where the process engineer steps in. They take the as-is process, the current reality, as documented by the process analyst, and start identifying inefficiencies and opportunities for improvement. They might look at that approval process and think, do we really need all these layers? Or they might see that communication bottleneck and suggest a different project management tool that encourages open communication and collaboration. The process engineer's goal is not just to identify these inefficiencies, but to propose solutions, to design the to-be process. They use their understanding of the company's goals, the team's capabilities, and the available technology to create a streamlined, efficient process that still meets all the necessary standards and requirements. So, while the process analyst documents the as-is process, giving us a clear picture of our starting point, the process engineer uses that information to design the to-be process, giving us a roadmap to our destination. It's a team effort. The process analyst provides the foundation, and the process engineer builds upon it. One cannot function effectively without the other. The analyst gives us the what and the why, while the engineer gives us the how and the when. Together, they enable companies like TechNovel to streamline their processes, reduce inefficiencies, and ultimately deliver better products faster. As you can see from our case study, both roles complement each other and are critical to improving business processes. Now that we've explored a case study, what are the key differences between process analysis and process engineering? Dive in with me for a moment into the heart of a company's operations. Here, we find two key roles that are often mistaken for each other: the process analyst and the process engineer. Both are crucial to the success of a business, but they have distinct functions and objectives. Let's start with process analysts. These professionals are the detectives of the business world, meticulously documenting the as-is processes in a company. They observe, note down, and map out how things are currently done. Their focus is on understanding the existing system, often as directed by stakeholders. They're like the cartographers of a company, mapping out the terrain as it exists. On the other hand, we have process engineers. If analysts are the cartographers, then engineers are the architects. They take the maps created by the analysts and use them to design improved processes. They identify inefficiencies in the existing system and conceive better ways to do things. Their ultimate aim is to transform the as-is into the to-be. So why are both roles important? Well, imagine trying to improve a city's layout without a current map, or trying to make a map without understanding what needs improvement. It's the same in a company. Analysts provide the groundwork, the understanding of the current state, while engineers use this foundation to build a more efficient and effective system. In essence, these roles are two sides of the same coin, each indispensable to the other. They're both vital cogs in the machinery of process optimization, working in tandem to ensure the company operates as smoothly and efficiently as possible. Understanding these differences and their importance can help you decide which role is most needed in your company. Remember, a well-oiled machine requires both the analyst to document the process and the engineer to optimize it.